In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively store digital documents using a multi-layered approach. This method ensures your documents are not only easily accessible, but also secure and well organized. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of setting up a reliable digital document storage system. First and foremost, let's talk about organizing your files. A clear folder structure is key to finding your files with ease. Think of this process as creating a map where each folder is a well-marked destination. Use a logical hierarchy with consistent names that make sense to you. For example, you might choose to name folders based on categories like finance, personal, or work. Within those, you can break them down further into subcategories that suit your needs. Establishing a file naming convention is equally important. By including dates and document types in your file names, like YYY, MDD document type/description, you will instantly know what each file contains and when it was created. This detail might seem small, but it's immensely helpful when you're searching for specific files later on. Don't forget to clean up as you go by deleting or archiving duplicate files. This step keeps your digital space clutter-free. If you must keep duplicates, consider moving them to an archive file so they're out of your main folders but still accessible if needed. Now that you have a clean and organized space, it's time to choose your storage solutions. Cloud storage options like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive are fantastic for making your documents accessible from any device, anywhere. This convenience is hard to beat, but don't rely on just one method. Pair your cloud storage with local backups using external hard drives. This way, even if you run into issues with your online accounts, you won't lose critical documents. Using a combination like this offers the best of both worlds: accessibility and security. For highly important documents, use both storage methods and consider keeping one of your external drives off-site for added security. Prioritizing security and backups is crucial in protecting your digital documents. Start by securing your files with strong passwords and encryption. Many cloud services offer built-in encryption, which is a good layer of protection. Enhancing your security, further two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an additional layer of protection, ensuring only you can access your accounts. When considering backups, follow the 3-2-1 rule. Keep at least 3 copies of your data on 2 different media, with 1 copy stored offsite. If you have any physical copies of important documents, such as birth certificates or legal contracts, secure them in a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. Finally, maintaining your system is an ongoing process. Regularly updating your files ensures that your documents remain relevant and organized. If you have documents you no longer need, it's wise to dispose of them properly to keep your storage tidy and secure. Establish access control by making sure a trusted person knows how to access your documents in an emergency. Scanning important paper documents to create digital backups further simplifies organization and access while also protecting those documents from physical damage. By following these steps, you'll create a robust digital document management system that combines accessibility, security, and organization seamlessly.